mo bang ang kumpanya na Real Health Lifestyle International Incorporated ay affiliated sa Astoria Plaza? Isang grupo ng mga kumpanya na nasa business na for more than 40 years. Proven successful business experience, kaibigan, para kang nakasandal sa pader. Hindi mauubusan ng stocks at patas ang sistema. Siya nga pala, nais ko ring ipaalam sa inyo na isa pa ring tunay na yaman ang kayang ibigay ng kumpanya sa ating lahat. Meron silang real entrepreneurship opportunity. They call it the Real Health Franchise Dealership System. Bibili ka lamang ng produkto sa halagang 1,000 pesos, dealer ka na. They even offer their franchise dealership program. 5,000 pesos mobile franchise, 10,000 pesos barangay franchise, 25,000 pesos district franchise, or at best, 250,000 pesos city or provincial franchise depot operator ka na. Imagine, they offer a franchise at 5,000 pesos only. Bibili ka naman ng 5 boxes, ay registered ka na as mobile franchisee. Pwede mo nang simulan ang negosyo mo dahil bibigyan ka pa ng isang box o kabuoang 6 boxes. Pag ito ay naibenta mo lahat, 6,000 pesos na kaagad ang kita mo o 20% retail income ka na. At maganda dito, kaibigan, Real Health has a system of entrepreneurship. Bibigyan kanila ng marketing support such as materials and training system to be successful. Meron ding personal online system kung saan mo makikita ang iyong bonuses real time. And what's best, bonuses are given every Friday through a personalized ATM card. There are 5 ways to earn from this business opportunity. 1. Retail bonus. Whether dealer ka o franchisee, you can earn from 300 to 500 pesos per box. Imagine, just selling 50 boxes per month. That is additional 15,000 to 25,000 pesos. Kung natural sa iyo ang masipag, tsak nakikita ka dito. Tunay na yaman. Number 2, direct bonus. Pag ang dealers mo ay naging mobile franchisees, you get 10% or 500 pesos and 50 points. Start with just 2 people you know who will benefit from the product. For sure, may mga taong tiwala sa iyo, kaibigan. Sa kanila mo i-share initially ang product. If you have shared it to 10 of your friends, you get additional 5,000 pesos. Number 3, matching bonus. 500 pesos for every 50 RH points matched, whether recruit, personal, or group product reorder sales. Meaning, hindi puro recruitment kundi product ang gumagalaw kasi you can get points from the kit sales and products. Totoong patas ang sistema. Number 4, lifetime bonus. You earn 50% of all your direct recruits matching bonuses. Ang kagandahan nito, kaibigan, ay hindi mo na kailangang i-balance ang left or right group. As long as you support at may malasakit ka sa direct recruits mo at continuously ay sinusuportahan mo sila at tini-train, you get 50% of whatever they get from their matched bonuses. Number 5, executive bonus, wherein you get a share of the company's gross sales total pot. Dito, makikita ang iyong sapat na kahusayan. Kaya kaibigan, whether you are a dealer franchisee or a franchise depot operator, maaari kang maging successful sa Real Health system of entrepreneurship. Ito na marahil ang tamang panahon. Tunay na produkto, tunay na sistema, tunay na tagumpay, tunay na yaman. It's not too late. You deserve a good life. Kaibigan, this is the good team of Real Health. Be healthy today with Real Wheat. Tara na, mag-Real Health. Kaibigan, nasubukan ko. Subukan mo. Ako po si Boy Abunda, isang Real Health advocate. Maraming salamat po.